Good afternoon everyone. In this video we are going to discuss the lever safety valve. In the previous video I discussed about the lever safety valve body part. Now in this video we are going to discuss the lever safety valve part valve component we are going to discuss. So totally in the lever safety valve problem, so there are 15 components. The part drawing they are given over here. The remaining thing as per the formulas, so like a bolt and nut, so washer, so those things and all as per the formula we have studied, so that we can apply, we can create the particular components over here. Okay, so here this is the one more part viewing the lever safety valve. It will be somewhat difficult to draw. So first in this one, this particular part we have to identify. So in the part, see the diagram. So they are given the two views. Okay, this is the third component, that is the valve. There are two views they are given. One is the sectional front view. So in this diagram it will becomes above that, so that this one given as a bottom view. Why they are given the bottom view means because of this plus, like solid part is comes over here, to see that they are given as a bottom view over here. Okay, so in this one, the drawing they are given the diameter as a 38, 25, even here like 62 mm, because those dimensions from here to here they are not given over here, so that we can get it from the bottom view. And the plus symbol, that dimension 48.5 they are given in the drawing. Okay, so based on this we should have to make over here. So here all the dimensions are related to the diameter, so that we are going to draw with the revolved protrusion command. So go over here, click the solid part, then select the revolved protrusion command and select the any one front view you can select. Okay, after selecting that, just compared to the previous drawing, as per the exact dimension we are going to start the drawing, but here we go for the some other different method. So first I am going to draw as per the shape. So first I am going to see the shape. This is the line like inclined line, and horizontal like vertical, horizontal, straight line, like that shape I am going to create over here. Okay, so inclined line is horizontal, so from here to from here, and the dimension I am going to check over here. So up to here I am supposed to stop over here. Okay, after stop it, then I can go with the relationship toolbar. So click on that. So go with the equal. So this line and this line should be equal, as well as parallel. So this is the line, as well as this line should be parallel. So these two relationship are given. After that I am going to switch off the relationship toolbar command. So then even though it is a revolved protrusion, only one side is be drawn, it's good, but relating to the dimension it's somewhat difficult over here. So that I am going to mirror up first, mirror the thing. After mirroring I am going to join these two lines from here to here. Why I have not done previously means, while doing that time what happens, this will create the line from here to here one line, and again here to here one more line has to be created. So it is not a single line. So that I have not done over in the previous one. So in this thing I am going to change the dimensions. So this is the dimension. So go for the dimension between from here to here. That I'm going to check it here. The dimensions they are given as like 8 mm. So I am 8 mm going to select it 8 mm. Okay. So after given the dimension as 8 mm, then going to select from here to here. So that is the what is the thing they are given from bottom to top 76 mm. From here to 32 plus 8 40, 40 plus 8 40 mm. Up to this particular thing it is a 48 mm. So I am going to select a line from here to this one as a 48 mm. Okay, so after selecting the 48 mm, okay, this one I have not changed, that is the 76. Okay, so those two things have to be changed over here, 48 mm. Then again the another dimension, while seeing from here bottom to this one, it is a 38 plus 32 plus 8 40. So select dimension toolbar from here to here. The dimension I am going to mention as a 40. Okay, so even those relationships we are not going to get, so that we will do later. Then comes to here the another thing we will do it. So the angle between from this line to this line, it is the angle is 90. So 90. Then comes into the again distance between. So distance between these 2 points, it is the 8 mm. Okay, so because that 8 mm they are given in the question, so from here to here there is the 8 mm. So after changing the 8 mm, now this dimension I am going to delete, and I am going to change those particular dimension now. So from here to this dimension is 40 mm. So 40 mm. Now it's somewhat come over here. So after making this all the dimensions, we can go for the another thing. So that is the dimension from this end to here and the inside one. So inside is 25, outer is 38. So go with the distance between from here to here, that is the 38 mm, and inside one from the distance from here to here, that is the 25 mm distance, 25 mm distance. Okay, then going to give fit. You can give the fit. After giving the fit option, the outer diameter. So from here to here, how to find? So here they are not given dimension. So go and check with the bottom. Bottom they are given like a 62 mm, the full and full the diameter. So go from distance between from here to here, that is the 62 mm. Okay, so almost all the dimensions we have related over here. So if anything is pending, that we will do later. So even in this one, the center point they are given as a radius 4 mm. Okay, so go with the fillet option, select this and this radius is 4 mm. I am going to give over. Okay, the extra line I am going to trim it. Go for the trim option. So this is the extra line has to be trimmed over here. Okay, so after drawing this, so what is this here? So what is the angle between these things? Once again you can check it. Suppose anything is changed over here. Not horizontal and vertical line. So go to the horizontal and vertical line. So this and this. Okay, otherwise I'll do one thing from here to. So somewhere it is making mistake. pot and okay, so almost it will be similar to same only. Better I will draw a one line from here to here. Then I will check it and it will from this line to okay. So almost it comes like 90 degree only. You will see if anything is there, we will change it. We will in the assembly diagram also. Then comes into here. So once all the dimensions has to be done, so I'm going to draw the center portion. Then with the use of trim option, the entire thing I'm going to trim this as well as this particular line even here. Okay, so after that even this line also I'm going to trim it. So after that I supposed to give the axis of revolution as this one, give a return. So certain things it will be overlap, so delete, so I can rejoin over it, redraw over it from here to here. Then return. So going to do return. Just I delete that line. So from here to here, going to join over. Okay. Then this line delete. This line delete. This is already deleted. So even. So then return. File is not closed. So delete that particular line. Then you can redraw one side. Okay, so like this you can do, and finally you can close it, delete and return. So you have to give the angle as 360 over left and right. Okay, so this you can save as like a component name. Well, after creating the first profile with the use of the 3D component is created, you can keep on save your files and do all. So after save this particular profile, then what are the extra things we have to add in the bottom? The 8 mm plus. Okay, so this 8 mm where we have to draw in the bottom. So go with protrusion, this bottom surface I'm going to select, give fit. So just I'm going to draw like a simple rectangle. After drawing the rectangle, I can go and draw with the help of tangent option. This line tangent to this arc, this line tangent to this arc. Okay. After that, we can go with the distance between from this particular line. So what is the dimensions they are given? That is the 48.5. So it's supposed to give 48.5 over here. So after that, once again I'm going to check it will be exact. It is in the middle. So middle it will becomes as a 42.5 means almost it will becomes as a 24.25. So 48.5 mm it has to come. So 24.25. So it is come. Now it will be exactly in the middle. Okay. So after drawing these things, I am go with the rotate option. Select the rotate command. Select entire thing from middle here to I am going to rotate. After rotated, so the middle portion I am going to trim it. Okay, even if you see this particular diagram, so this particular portion and all it will be like a curved. So the curved, what is the given? The radius is 1 mm. So go with the fillet option, sorry, fillet option. So from here to here 1 mm, from here to here 1, this as well as this 1 mm, 1. So like this, this particular portion we have to draw. After drawn this particular profile, you can give return. After giving here the top icon bar, it will show as a through to next. So if you through to next, it is going to stop for this particular circular portion. Okay, left and right click. So the particular thing has to be created. After creating this, so what is the next thing? Go for the another thing. So here they are given as a 544. So this is like a circular one, like they are given as a 544. So compared to this dimension, this dimension will be smaller. Okay. So that what we is supposed to do over here, go with the revolved cutout option, any one mid plane, either the mid plane you can select this one or this, anything as your wish. After selecting that, I'm going to give fit. Then what is the dimension from see in the top 48.5, here they given as a 544. So 544 means from middle to 22. So this length 8 mm, this height 8 mm. Okay, so I'm going to select a line. So from middle to what is that, for 44 mm means 22 mm from the side, 22 mm. So this particular distance is 8, enter. So full, and from particular distance to 10. Okay, then this line is going to take. Then take it as a axis of revolution as this middle one. Why I'm going to do this line more, even you can skip or in this dimension also, because here there is no material, so it will not affect anything else. So that as you wish how much length you want to make it from towards right side, you can make it, no issues. Then give as a return. I am going to provide the angle as 360. So the 360 means the particular thing has to be created over here. So if you see over here, the component has to be created as 360 degree. So the particular profile. Okay. So after done this, you can give, the option is called save. So almost everything done. The only thing is pending, that is the 5 mm board. The 5 mm board, they are given in the 28 mm height. So the 28 mm height, we can check over here. See the 28 mm exactly from the this V shape is coming now. So from here to 28 mm height. So going to select the cutout option from middle and go for, because the P shape I could not able to view over here, so I can go with the which one, wireframe model. Select a line exactly over in the middle, 28 mm height, 28 mm height. I'm going to stop over here, select a circle. So this circle 5 mm. Okay, then this particular line I'm going to delete, give us a return. So it will comes as a one side. I'm going to make it as a both the side, left and right. So the entire the valve component has to be created. So like this manner, the valve we used to draw over the lever safety valve, like this manner. Okay, so the remaining components we will see in the next video. Thank you.